Okay, now to go ahead and check the birthday offer links. Now, basically, to explain what the birthday offer links is about, is pretty much every day, we automatically send emails to via MailChimp to everyone whose birthday is on that day, and we offer them a free course from and you will see what we're talking about on when you view the weekly update email video. Okay, so anyways, we are gonna go here, and we just want to check and see. Basically, every week we want to check and make sure that no one has signed up for a free course or whatever. So I actually put the birthday link right here, which makes it so much easier. So you're gonna go to monday.com, go to weekly to-dos, which you will I'll probably do. Click on the birthday link. And right here, if somebody has signed up for or requested a free course, it will say right here, say responses. Obviously, no one has elected to get a free course, so that's that. But yeah, we just want to check it every week and make sure that no one has signed up yet. Okay, and that's it.